Zhejiang Yuancheng Auto and Motorcycle Accessories Company Limited was founded in 1987. We are located in Wenzhou City, Zhejiang Province. We have a general investment and a plant area of more than 40,000 square meters. Yuancheng has abundant financial resources and advanced equipment, including 15 high-speed injection machine, hot plate welding, chip mounter, and others. As a professional car lamp supplier, we have excellent team who focus on product development and design, quality control and inspection, and company running. In order to supply the best products and services, we have built a modern quality management system which is in strict accordance with international standards. Besides, because of large overseas markets, we export to United States, Russia, Japan, Dubai, and many of the Middle East countries. Most of our products have got TS 16949, ISO 9001, E-Mark certificates. If you have any new ideas or concepts for the products, please contact us. We have professional production designer to make your own fashion design. We are glad to work together with you and finally bring you the satisfied products.